Hey there, my YouTube modeling friends. Coming at you here with another quick workbench update on the bench. Hey, I'm working on the 1982 Dale Earnhardt Ford Thunderbird regular car. Big, ugly box car. So, I got the decals for this. You guys saw the decals on a previous video. So, decided to work on it after I had finished the CUDA, which is really cool. Appreciate all your guys' comments on that. So I'm working on the Thunderbird here. Now, I'm on a different workbench here, and I'm very limited to my time and the parts and supplies that I'm using. But I think so far it's coming out okay. Let me just show you what I got here. So I got it laid out on the bench here. Just the chrome parts. Black washed the wheels there just to give it a little depth. I think that looks really cool when you do that. Body has been primered. Needs a wet sand and just a quick test fit on everything, and I should be able to put a coat of white on it at least. Got the radiator here, but I think I'm going to repaint this. I don't like the way this came out. Not my best work. Gotta get that out of here. So then I got the chassis. It's coming along, the roll cage. Need some touch-ups on paints. You know, when you glue some things together and cut things, you know, you just need some paints, like, you know, around the black edges there. Part of the suspension I totally missed here. There we go, right there. So, just little touch-ups here and there, and it should be okay. So I did it, a blue engine, and right there on the belts, need a little touch-up there. Just a blue, silver, I think it's aluminum transmission. It might be silver. Suspension. This is looking pretty good. Went on pretty well for these old monogram kits. Yeah, I just did yellow there for an accent color. Did the headers white, and then it goes into the silver. And then the exhaust, did it flat black. Needs a couple little touch-ups here and there. Drive shaft is white, which I believe they were white in the real NASCARs anyway, so that might be accurate. And the rear suspension, looking really nice. Went together real well. Again, did the blue as just as an accent. I like my colors. On the top, well, let's start off with the fuel there. I never do the fuel cells. I do that for you guys, so I can show you guys the fuel cells. Once you put the body on, you never see it again. Seat is just flat black with red. Obviously red fire extinguisher. The water tank here, I saw somebody do this on the internet once. I don't know if it was a YouTube video or from just a Google search, but somebody did an old water bottle, the water bottles on the old monogram kit, painted up like the old Gatorade water jugs, which I thought was really cool. So I kind of copied their idea, their design. So whoever that was, if you're watching, thank you for the inspiration. It's really cool. And like I've always said, I like to extra color things anyways. Kind of bring out. Dashboard's not my best dashboard. Definitely needs some touch-ups. I got a black smudge right there. I don't know what happened there. Need a touch-up around the red there for the ignition boxes. Oh, not my best work. So like I said, I don't have all the parts I'm working with, so I don't have all the clamps and stuff. And the roll cage just is not fitting together properly without the tools that I use. Try to do this by hand, and all of a sudden it becomes a lot more difficult. So I'm working with it. I'm trying to make it roll, and we'll see what happens. But as of right now, this is what it is, and this piece will go somehow on over like that. Well, eventually. But I just wanted to update you guys on my 82 Ford Thunderbird. So, guys, I appreciate you watching, appreciate you supporting me, and I'm trying to catch up on your videos as much as I can. Alright, I'm Chris. I'll see you guys later.